Hey, this will be a video chart on RMDM, RMD Entertainment Group. This is going to be a real quick video. Did this yesterday when the chart looked like that, mainly because we finally had a big volume day, and I talked about how this was kind of a silent assassin and had made a ninja move, basically just meaning that it had slowly crept up without much volume at all. And that's no longer the case. It is no longer in ninja mode. Another huge volume day, and with a good price reaction, this is setting off traders' radars and scanners and everything like that. So I'm afraid that the ninja mode and silent assassin is kind of out the window now. Lots of people talking about this one. Um, so that's what you want, though. The more people that talk about it, hopefully that leads to the more volume. So not a bad thing, but it's no longer can be classified as a ninja stock just because we're seeing some good life. I just want to get a few things updated. I actually was messing around a little bit so I could find some future resistance areas. But real quick, what the update on this time frame, or before I scrunch up the chart, the new support has been put in is just right here at 0008. So I'll get that changed to green. And I talked about yesterday this being the must-hold level. This has changed now because with this huge move, the must-hold now has become this area right down here at 0005. So what I'm going to do here is make this line thicker to represent this is the level on any sort of drastic pullback that needs to hold, or else the chart's pretty much just going to be broken. But all these support levels are still in hand, and like I said, the newest one today being 0008. And the other thing is just simply the volume. When you see outbreaks like this where it's moving up, when volume increases, that's good because that's just showing that more and more interest is building and building. And best or better than that is the price is going upwards. Today it was up, 50%. So when you have that going on with increasing volume, that's a good thing. Now, if we were only up 5% or something like that, or let's say down 5% on big volume, that's not the best thing. That's not what you want to see from a volume analysis standpoint. But clearly not the case here. The bulls are pushing it. The price is able to breathe, make people money, so that's what we want to see. So now for resistances, like I said, I'm really going to have to scrunch up the chart here, so bear with me. So here we are. This is the blue line I highlighted from yesterday, and just going to get rid of that. So looking back here, and this is back in November of 07, so this is a long time ago. But I did figure out, we can kind of identify some potential battlegrounds. And the one being right here that I noticed was, let me move this line up before I drop it on top. But if you look here, we had a high there and then a high there. So there was twice that the price tried to get above that level but could not. Therefore, that makes it a resistance. And so that's where I'm going to drop that line, right on top of those two highs. And these levels are based at 0.0014. So yesterday I said 0.0013. I was actually a little bit off. But 0.0014 is going to be the next key resistance area based right here. After that, like I said, sorry I got to crunch up the chart, but like I said, we're going back a long time to find these. But after 0.0014, the next resistance isn't until up in this area here, so I'm just going to call that 0.002. So big potential move with any sort of break there. I'm not going to go any further than that. One brick at a time. But these are going to be your next two resistance levels at 0.0014 and then right here at 002. Now, in order to get up there, and I don't mean to state the obvious, we're going to want to see volume stay strong. If there are any pullbacks, don't freak out. Pullbacks are healthy as long as the support levels hold that need to. Now, if you get a pullback that falls all the way down here, that's not really a pullback anymore. That's just pretty much the chart reversing on you. But if you get just some sideways days or some pullbacks here with decreasing volume, that's perfectly healthy. That's fine. You got it. People just kind of forget a lot that pullbacks are good, assuming volume isn't huge and assuming support levels do hold. So that's pretty much where we stand with the chart for right now. If you do have any other questions on it, let me know. But congratulations once again to everybody that caught it down here when it was in ninja mode and are now reaping the rewards. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and subscribe for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook which goes over tips and tricks on how to profit in the market using charts. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get trade ideas, chart setups, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. And we've been making some good money together, so it's worth checking out. And best part is it's all free, so it's worth giving a try. One more time, this was RMDM. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.